Hi, in this video from the Bad Back Gardener, I'm going to be making a storage container out of this old wooden wine barrel. It's going to be kind of used for decoration and storage at the same time. An old Western theme storage container. I'm going to be cutting it about in here the whole way around. Hopefully this top part will stay together when I get it cut off, because I'm going to use it as a lid to remove and put back on. I'll be using my saber saw here to do that with. I'll be getting a nice new wooden blade. I would probably recommend that. And I may or may not use the blue tape, depending on if I see it splintering or not, I'll do that. So we'll get started with that. Okay, when I cut the lid off, it stayed together pretty good, but I ended up drilling a few little holes and putting some pins into the lid to kind of hold it all together, to hold that. The top band started moving a little bit up and down on me, so I wanted to hold that in place, so I pinned it a few times. And then what else I'm going to do here is I'm going to take and do with the lid, and also on the inside of this barrel, is I have some lath here that I've cut into strips. And I'm going to staple it on the inside of this the whole way around, just to hold everything in place, all the pieces together, so they maybe keep them from falling apart at some point. But I feel better doing that it's going to last a little bit longer. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'll take my stapler and staple it and put it in. Okay, that's going to do it for our project. I got the strapping all in. Now it sits on there good. And we'll be able to store stuff in it, take the lid off, and it'll still be decorative to where it needs to be. So that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Catch up with me on Facebook. You can also email me at bbgardner@zoominternet.net. And as always, if your back ain't hurting, you ain't working.